Hi kids! Hello, my name is Landry. It's snowing out today.
That's an understatement, huh?
You can see how much snow we are getting. It's Saturday and I think we have about 2 feet of snow.
Rox, you wanna go out?
This is Roxy.
All right, do business. Go on. Get your ball, go. Get it, girl.
Big snow truck just went.
Okay, it's definitely deeper than my dog.
Oh my god, that's like...
So it's as tall as her back. Come on, girl.
We'll just find out and see when we go outside today and play. Hey, my name's Aiden. It's Saturday morning. There was this little thing last night I saw, and it was like that tall, but the snow's like that tall on it. Well, so it must be that tall.
Okay, she's
Dad, can I do the home? Can I do the camera?
Coming in.
Where are you, Roxy?
She made a path.
This is our crazy dog outside our front door. And this is how tall the snow is. We're gonna open up the door. Now, we let her out the back door because we didn't want all the snow in. But now she's made her way around to the front. Now hold on. Okay, open it up, Mom. Let's look at this. This is how deep the snow is. Oh! But that's how deep the snow is at our house. It's crazy. Now we're gonna have to throw that snow out.